So actually, ang gagawin natin for tonight is just to check on your tasks, kung sino yung nakapag-complete or yung mga halfway lang. So isa-isahin lang natin. So let's go through task 4 na diretso. Drive ako.
Yes po.
Okay, so ito siya. So again, going back to the products. Ayan. So when you're creating a product or a graphic post, always make sure merong call to action at the bottom. Especially on your ads, mabilis makita kasi hindi lahat, they are more on visuals lahat yung mga tao. Okay? So ito yung brand kit. So if I don't have a Canva Pro, usually ginagawa ko is kumukuha lang ako ng basic template and ina-arrange ko lang siya sa template kung ano yung mga brand kit ni client. If wala pang brand kit si client, ito yung i-present ninyo. Okay? Or you can create a template for them. Use mostly mga small entrepreneurs, wala pa silang brand kit. Ang importante lang sa kanila is presentable in their eyes and nakikita yung mga products nila. But it's nice, since you are a social media manager, it's important na meron kayong sariling sistema for presenting your skills or services, just like this. So you should know what you are doing. So importante, meron kayong brand kit, alam. And that will set you apart from any other VAs. So ayan na siya. So ito yung papakita nyo sa client nyo. Itong content calendar. So they will know that kung ano yung status na ng mga development on the marketing campaign. Plus meron pa dito yung mga insights, reviews. So namomonitor nyo rin at your end kung ano yung views and reach ng mga marketing campaigns na ginagawa nyo for the client. Actually, put everything here, the reach, the views, para makita ni client that you have improved his or her business page. Okay? So, saan yung task 8 niya? Hindi na pala to. Kasi yung task 9 is your presentation. So, yung task 9 and task 10 ninyo would be a one-on-one session with me. So, I receive an email. So, ito yung title niya. And this is what I get. Okay? Tons Cafe News Ifustis. Ang ganda ng niya actually. Marketing campaign na ginawa. Email. Very simple but very siya. Classic. Yung maganda yung presentation. Hindi magulo. Okay? Visit store. Get discount up to 10% off. Save price. Okay, that's nice. Very good. To use mga fonts, huwag kayong gumamit ng mga cursive. Okay? Hindi siya readable. Yung mga cursive. Huwag kayong gumamit. Like this one. I cannot read this one. So you're going to search for the competitors of your client. What's the purpose ba? Bakit kailangan nyo maghanap ng competitor? Or what's the purpose? Bakit kailangan mag-competitor analysis kayo? The purpose for it is for you to identify kung ano yung mga ginagawa nilang marketing campaign para kayo yung mas malakas sa area. Okay? What are their weaknesses? You're going to identify their weaknesses, their strengths, kung ano yung ginagawa nila. Kung ano yung ginagawa nila, mas lalamangan nyo pa as a social media manager.
Hindi siya naka-link.
Okay, sige. Can you share me the link ba? For that? Sige daw. Try mo i-share sa akin. Then let's make it better. Okay, sige, ito. Ayusin natin to. Sige. I'm not sure if we still have time for the Gmail, pero sige na lang. So, ayusin natin siya. Emphasize natin yung watermelon juice. Okay, patakin natin. Yan. And then, let's remove this one. Okay. Yan, hanap tayo. Ayan, how about that one? How was it? Yan. Mga tropical na kasi gusto natin ipa-feel sa kanila na uhaw sila. And we have here watermelon juice kasi sobrang init ngayon eh. Diba? Sa mga social media post mo, dapat meron din siyang conversion talaga. It's either it produce likes, shares, or convert to sales. Or information overload na.
Thank you.
So, information overload na sa training, sa SMN training, sa workshop, information overload pa. So, meron pang task na ultimate task. So, diba? So, hindi basta-basta yung
Yun
pinasok ko na training. O, ano. So, also pala yung profile, yung ano mo, yung tawag nito, portfolio. Okay? Masyado siyang colorful. Can you use 3 colors? O, i-change mo yun kasi ano siya, parang ang kidi niya tingnan. So, make it more aesthetic tingnan, yung medyo clean siya and very elegant tingnan. Basta i-ano mo siya, i-arrange mo siya properly. Okay? I hope marami ka natutunan
Salamat
sa
na
akin.
Opo.
Okay, so don't forget to book your one-on-one schedule with me tomorrow, ha? Okay? Pag hindi ka pa ready tomorrow, you can do it next week na lang. And then I'll just announce a schedule.
Sige, sige.
Pero I suggest, all right, thank you so much,
Salamat.
Rain. And have a good night and have a
Thank
great
you.
weekend. Bye.
Yes po. Salamat. Thank you. Bye-bye.